This is the Pangea Sun. Its modular system makes it individual. Functional. Easy to use. And comfortable. Simply an all-rounder. We are an international and multicultural team working with passion to develop the Pangea Sun. Because of every one of us, the idea becomes reality. We want to create a positive and sustainable impact on our environment and set new standards for the technology. Pangea Electronics, united by technology.